Hello guys, today I'm gonna be just showing you some tricks on how to get better. Now these will take a lot of time and you won't get better really quick or anything, but basically if you just go to the stock shop and look for things that are going out of stores, like this Musketeer boots. They're going out of stores, and then let's see if there's any 10 items. I don't think there's any. Oh, these ruins. These could be betas someday. So yeah, that's just one of the ways, and then another way is just trading a lot, just trading multiple rares that you got for better rares or something. So right now I'm actually gonna buy some of the Musketeer boots. Do I need this much? I have 7, it should be fine. Wait, no, okay, but yeah, who knows, these could someday get rare. You know what I like to do? I like to kind of pick a variety, just so you know. One might get rarer than the other. Of course, I'm probably gonna buy the one that doesn't get that way. Just stock your inventory up with them. I'm not sure if I got this one. I think I did. No, I didn't. Okay, let me just get this one real quick. And then you're set with Musketeer boots. These could become rare. Like these went out of stores, so I don't think they're really rare right now. But yeah, no. It's because you have 2 animals, guy. Okay? Well, so I'll be right back. So as you can see here, I'm gonna actually get a storage account. You know I gotta do this. Wait, what am I doing? Why am I going up? I should be going down. What's wrong with me? Uh-oh. Did I break it? Guys. I think I broke it. I broke it. Yeah, let me reload. Hold on. Okay, this might work. I'll come back if it does. This is taking too long, so my name is Captain Quiet. No. Captain Ranger Long. Captain Scary Long. Okay. I'm a boy, as you guys can tell, and I'm 16 and older, yes. My username is, oh, dang it, of course that's taken. Yay, okay, I'm not gonna tell you guys my password, of course. Okay, guys, I made the account. I'm gonna just do this, okay, moving on. Let's see, what am I gonna make it? How about this color is white and now black. Let's play with. I'm just copying my deer's look. Not completely, but. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay, I'm gonna skip this, okay? Oh wow, look at this noob. I'm way too cool for new gems. Oh wait, that's me. Why does it show me differently? But well, that ruins it. That's great though. You know, that's okay. You know. Okay. Well, now I can't really put anything down too because I don't have any, so I'm bad. I don't want it. I'll just put a necklace onto it. I don't know. It's all least expensive, so I probably should have done a different color, but whatever. I didn't even put it on today, that's awesome. That's actually, wow. I'm so cringy. I didn't mean to. Oh. What am I doing? I'm just making weird noises, but I can't edit this video because I don't know how. Tell me. What are these called? These camouflage. That's what I thought. Camo. 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 Oh wow, look at this. All these store items that are probably way more expensive than this, and these out of store items aren't good enough for my necklace. Let's decline it. Just kidding, that actually took a while to put it on. And oh, I don't know. It's late at night. It's literally past 12. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm tired. I need candy. Oh my god, yes. I just realized I have candy. Okay. Now, what I'm gonna do is buy these. They're expensive, but I don't care. And now, I'm gonna give him some clothes. Wait, let's also put my poofy thingies. Poof. No. No. Oh, okay, it's work. Oh, it's 2 O's. Oops, I'm stupid. I don't want to give my 1 to this account because I actually like it. I like the red one. So let's actually just, yeah, let's just give that. And I don't know, well, that doesn't really match, but okay. I'm so tired. I don't think I'm even thinking straight now. You know, that's great though. That's okay. That's okay. Oh, look at all these stupid items I'm gonna accept even though this is way rarer. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, I can't believe they're accepting. That's like the rarest item in the game. Yay! Oh, I'm so generous. I wasn't gonna steal something that Mysteria Moon said. I'm so cringy. Now it's actually time to change this wolf's look. Oh my god, that looks hilarious. I love it. Let's actually do this. That looks good, right? Wait. No, that's that color. No, that's that color. No, it's not. It's that color. Yep, that's that color. What am I doing? I don't know, but I don't care. Does that look good? Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Not really, but okay. I thought that was my den because it was empty. You know, my spare account stuff. Let's just pile these up in here. I don't know what to do with these. Does anyone want them? I mean, they're not for free, but you can have them. I don't really want them. I'm so tired. My parents are gonna find this video. Not really, because not even a single person can find this video. This is great. Oh, look at me. I'm so rare. You know what, guys? I'm so rare. I don't even need this loser. Yeah, This is a spare account and I'm spoiling it. Look at all these bears. These aren't rare, but you know that they're in my heart. Not really, but, okay, bye!